Hey there, today I am going to design a logo for a fictional real estate company. It is going to be a fun ride from start to finish. So without further ado, let's jump into it and see what we can build. I chose to include a simplified palm tree in the logo. You know, palm trees are very iconic to Miami, so it felt like the perfect fit. Let's start with ellipse tool. Hold shift and drag for a perfect circle. Let's turn off the white fill color and then switch the black stroke color to the fill color. I will divide this circle into 5 equal pieces. So let's draw a rectangle and align it and make 5 copy. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy and then press Ctrl D. Select all the rectangle and drag it to the edge of the circle. Select the top rectangle and the circle and just press it. Delete the rest and let's fix the size. The height should be 50 and then uncheck it and make it 200 and again check it. Okay, now make a copy, select the two and rotate tool, press Alt and click and make the angle 45 degree and just press copy. And now select the reflect tool, double click on it and make sure to check the vertical option and the angle is 90 degree, copy. Okay, now select the two. Now I am going to fix this, place it at the edge. Okay, now align and make it group and same for the top part. I will fix this gap. Press Ctrl or Command Y to switch to the outline mode and fix the gap. Okay, and group them too also. Let's fix the size and I will fast forward this part. Okay, now I am happy with the size. Now fix the height and weight. I will make the height to 300 pixels. I will fix this height of this logo with the help of this rectangle. So let's make it 300 pixel and fix it according to this. Now delete this one. Now our logo is 400 pixel wide and 300 pixel height. Now I will make a window icon here. Okay, let's start with a rectangle, make it 75 pixel wide and height. Okay, and this one should be 10 pixel wide. Copy this one and rotate 90 degree. Okay, align them center. Okay, now our window is ready. Let's align them. Logo mark is ready. Now place the text. I will fast forward this process to save your time. Let's write the name and fix them. Okay, I tried some fonts and after doing some experiment I have decided to go with this one. Okay, I chose this color palette as well. Okay, Let's fix the height and width of the whole logo and try some color. That's it for today, guys. I've got something exciting planned, a real client logo design project. Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.